Hey business buddies, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna explain another sequence when creating your new campaign. The action is message request plus 2 messages, meaning send a message request to a LinkedIn profile, then send 2 messages. And these are the actions that will be applied. Let's go utilize this sequence. You can create the name of your campaign if you want, it's optional. Click on next. Here, you're gonna choose the list of your prospects. You can either choose all the prospects or select one of them from the lists. Click on next. Here, you're gonna type your message request, and it's always better to insert your variable containing the first name, last name, company, and of course it will change depending on your prospects. And here, you must select the delay you want between the moment your prospects will accept the message request and your first message. Here, you're gonna type your message. Click on next. And then you're gonna select the delay between the first message and the second message. Click on next. Here, you're gonna type your second message. Click on next. And here you go, your campaign is created. Thank you so much for watching.